Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio settings on the Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hearthstone game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Now from this page, in order to change your audio settings, click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and then click on options. Now within the options menu, you have the sound settings where you can change the master volume as well as music volume level. Use the slider and move it to the left to decrease the volume and move it to the right to increase it. You can click on sound options as well to also reduce the sound of dialogue as well as ambient sounds. You can turn off sound in the background by unchecking the sound in background option. After choosing your desired audio levels, you can go back and start your game, and your audio settings will be applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your audio settings on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.